Do you love telling stories? Stories can take us to magical places and introduce us to amazing characters. Do you like to draw pictures with your words? Words can paint vivid images in our minds, just like a brush on a canvas. Sometimes we need special words to make our stories and pictures more exciting. These words can turn a simple story into an adventure. Imagine you're drawing a picture of a cat. You start with a basic outline, but it feels a bit plain. You can draw a plain cat, or you can draw a cat with fluffy fur, bright green eyes, and a long swishing tail. These details make the cat come to life. Which cat sounds more interesting? The one with all the special details, right? The cat with fluffy fur, green eyes, and a long tail, right? It captures our imagination and makes us want to know more about it. These special words that add details and make our stories and pictures more interesting are called adjectives. Adjectives help us describe things in a way that makes them more vivid and engaging. Adjectives are like word superstars. They tell us more about nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, and things like cat, house, or book. Adjectives tell us more about those nouns. For example, instead of just saying cat, we can say fluffy cat. Fluffy is the adjective, and it tells us more about the cat's fur. Adjectives make our sentences more interesting and help us paint better pictures in our minds. Adjectives can tell us about the size of things. Is your dog a big dog or a small dog? Is your house a tall house or a short house? Big, small, tall, and short are all adjectives that tell us about size. Can you think of other adjectives that tell us about size? Section 4. Round and square adjectives about shape. Adjectives can also tell us about the shape of things. Is your ball round? Is your sandwich square? Round and square are adjectives that tell us about shape. Can you think of other adjectives that tell us about shape? What about triangle or star-shaped? Section 5. Colorful words, adjectives about color. Let's add some color to our sentences. Adjectives can tell us about the color of things too. What color is your shirt? Is it a bright red shirt or a dark blue shirt? Red and blue are adjectives that tell us about color. So are bright and dark. They help us picture the shirt even better. What are your favorite color adjectives? Section 6. How many? Adjectives about number and quantity. Adjectives can even tell us about how many of something there are, or how much of something there is. They help us understand the world around us by giving us more information. How many cookies are in the jar? Let's find out together. Are there 2 cookies or many cookies? The word 2 gives us a specific number, while many gives us a general idea. How much milk is in your glass? This is another way adjectives help us. Is it a little milk or a lot of milk? These words help us describe the amount. 2 tells us exactly how many cookies are left. It's precise and clear. Many tells us that there are a lot of cookies, even if we don't know exactly how many. It's a more general term. Little and a lot tell us about the quantity of milk. They are all adjectives. These words help us communicate better and understand each other more clearly. So next time you describe something, think about the adjectives you use. They make your descriptions richer and more detailed. Section 7. Pop Quiz. Are you an adjective superstar? Get ready to test your knowledge and have some fun. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's see how well you know your adjectives. Pay close attention and think carefully. I'll give you a sentence and you tell me the adjective. Ready? Here we go. The cat has soft fur. Look at that fluffy cat. So relaxed and calm. Which word is the adjective? Think about the word that describes the cat's fur. That's right. Soft is the adjective. Great job. Now let's try another one. The sky is blue. Which word is the adjective? Look at the sentence and find the word that describes the sky. You got it. Blue is the adjective. Excellent. Let's do one more. I have 10 fingers. Which word is the adjective? Think about the word that tells us how many fingers there are. Yes, 10 is the adjective. You did amazing. You're an adjective superstar. Keep up the great work. Remember, adjectives make our sentences more interesting. They add color and detail to our words. Keep using them to make your stories sparkle. Your writing will be more vivid and exciting with adjectives.